Didn't wait for his, he took mine on.
Was it a Brit?
No. It's a bit chunky, isn't it?
No, the other lady was British.
Oh.
Oh, it was a husband or something.
No.
Yeah, I have all that.
I don't know, let's get the most of your croissant.
Thank you. She's gonna say the last thing. I'll give you this.
Yes. Medium oat latte, medium churro oat latte with no whip.
Okay.
Oh, can I take that for plain croissant? I'm sorry. Thank you. I got the medium here.
My dad's heading back to Astoria. So we'll take a train. And if you warm it up, it takes a train from here to
Large
Astoria.
latte, whole milk, medium chocolate, hot chocolate with whole milk.
Thank you.
Lovely, thank you.
There, we got it.
Completely without sugar. Dash. Thank you. Gonna be fantastic. Like us in the us in the turnstiles.
Yeah.
No, thank you. I'm okay, thank you.
Which one?
Fun?
You want to go on a horse?
Nah, it's alright. I'll spend time with you.
That would be a Wally.
Fun?
It would be a Wally.
Oh, on a horse. Maybe later. Look, all the snow. Yeah, who needs snowfall? We got trees. Okay, we're gonna go like this now. Bend your knees a little bit. There you go. It's evening out. This was where Home Alone, the bird lady scene was filmed, by the way. Remember?
Yeah, I do remember.
Excuse me.
Yeah,
Do you think you could take a photo for us?
I'm pretty sure I can.
All right.
Lily!
Lily, come on. We're getting a photo. Sorry. I was taking my own photo.
All right, guys, smile. 2, 3, 4. There you go.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Thanks.
You want a photo?
Well, might as well.
All right. All right, you guys can return the favor.
Yeah, sure.
I'll let you do it, feel better.
Yeah, I'll do it. No worries. Do you want portrait and landscape?
Yes, please.
Yeah,
Good luck with it, yeah.
I'll get all of it in the back.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And no, I didn't randomly press the flashlight to think I was taking photos. Look at this. This is amazing. Look at this. Look at that. Yeah, it's amazing.
Take these. These are touchscreens.
First world problems.
Big one.
Would you mind if we stopped for a second in the sun?
You're getting cold. Ooh,
And walk.
I'll do action shots of the snow.
Oh.
Gosh, we haven't seen snow like this for a while, eh?
No.
I have the banana and you can throw it back. Put anything else in there? Just these. I'll pocket those. Alrighty, that's it.
Coming down here. Probably better walking on here, really. Huh?
Shall we go?
I just can't. It's more country.
That's alright. Alright, let's go into the snow. and you'll be alright.
What? You sleep.
There we go. Now it's going flatter. You can come here. Yeah, it's great. Want to go skating? Not on the tarmac, those. Oh, pavement. Nice.
I mean, there's on all the layers of pictures we've got here, especially.
Well done. That's efficient use of resources. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Really?
Really? Really? Really? I dropped a banana peel 3 times. Really? I thought it was the bin lady. Shirley's dog.
Yeah. That's what it is.
Is that for the skating?
So we have to get back on the line?
Wow. You want to go skating?
Nope.
Good, because I'm not going to stand in a queue. Oh, look at that! Yeah, amazing, eh? See, who needs a zoom lens? I got a zoom stick. Yeah. Look at that. You don't need gloves. You don't need sunglasses, Peter. Look at that. Oh, let's check out the ice skating from the top.
Anybody need a map? Need a map, sir?
Thanks, but I got a phone. Right, it's going to be lots of melted stuff here, so you'll be alright. Come this way.